Today I'm gonna be putting this guy in the microwave. My mom said it'll pop, but I don't care. I know you don't see it, but... Oh wait, you do see it. Sorry. What the heck? What is it doing? Whoa. I think it's gonna pop. Oh shit. What the Yeah, I think that was not a good idea. Not a smoke. It's getting... it smells like sour. Let's get it out. Oh my god. Bro, I thought it would turn big or something, but look at the results. Let's cool it off. Whoa, it kind of looks like it got free-dried. Should I put some water on it? Let's do it. I put some water on it. Get it off. Let's eat it. Ugh, it's hot. I don't want it. Goodbye. Should I keep it longer? I don't know.